Once you have measured and cut your feeder lines, simply push in a small valve onto one end and slip the other end onto the manifold port that you plan on using. You can hook up to 4 feeder lines per fitting. If you aren't going to use one or more of the feeder ports, simply install one of the supplied small white rubber end caps to close that port. If the feeder manifold you are assembling is going to be at the end of the line for your row, simply install one of the supplied black rubber end caps to block the outlet and close the main feeder line port. Next, grab the completed irrigation assembly and clip the feeder lines to the planter like so. Ensure that the valve handle is facing upward for easy access in the future. Once you are complete, you are ready to cut and install the main feeder lines. Just like that, easy peasy.